How AI learns, machine learning explained simply. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence becomes so smart? Can AI really think like humans? The answer is, not exactly. AI doesn't think the way we do. Instead, it learns from data. Let's understand this with a very simple example. Imagine you want to teach a small child the difference between cats and dogs. You don't explain everything in one sentence. Instead, you show hundreds or even thousands of pictures. You say, "This is a cat. This is a dog." Slowly, the child starts noticing patterns. Cats usually have pointy ears. Dogs come in many different shapes. After seeing enough examples, the child can recognize a new cat or dog without anyone helping. Artificial intelligence learns in almost the same way. Instead of pictures alone, AI can learn from text, videos, sounds, numbers, and many other types of information. This learning process is called machine learning. Machine learning is one of the most important parts of modern AI. The more high-quality data AI receives, the better it becomes at recognizing patterns. For example, if an AI system is trained using millions of photos of cats, it will become very good at identifying cats in new images. The same idea works for many different tasks. Email apps learn to detect spam. Netflix learns what movies you enjoy. Spotify recommends songs you might like. Google Maps predicts traffic. And ChatGPT learns language by studying massive amounts of text. But here's something very important. AI doesn't actually understand information the way humans do. It predicts the most likely answer based on patterns it has learned. Think of it like someone who has read millions of books. They become very good at predicting what words usually come next. That's exactly what language models like ChatGPT do. Of course, AI isn't perfect. If the training data contains mistakes or false information, AI can also make mistakes. This is why humans still play a very important role. Experts continuously improve AI models, fix problems, and make them safer. As technology advances, AI will become even more powerful. We'll see smarter virtual assistants, better healthcare tools, safer self-driving cars, and faster scientific discoveries. Machine learning is already changing our daily lives, often without us even noticing it. And this is only the beginning. Now you know how AI learns. It doesn't think like humans. It learns from examples, recognizes patterns, and predicts the best possible answer. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple AI explanations, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications.